Auto repair prices are climbing sharply, with a 6.27% rise in the Producer Price Index for auto repair and maintenance recorded in December 2024. This surge is primarily driven by tariff-related supply challenges and the escalating complexity of modern vehicles, which feature advanced computer systems requiring more time and expertise to fix. Tariffs on parts from North American trade partners could push costs up to 7.7% above inflation, posing a tough challenge for repair shops striving to stay profitable. As cars become more technologically advanced, repair times and costs are expected to continue their upward trajectory.